Alright, how to add keywords to your blogger blog post. If you click on this new post and if you're looking for field to add keywords on this page, then let me tell you, this is impossible to add keywords by using this only page. In order to add keywords to your blogger blog post, you need other tools that you need to use. That's why I have created this completely free tool that allow you to add keywords to your blogger post. So what you need to do is just you need to paste your text here, and it's going to give you a HTML code. And let me tell you one more thing as well. HTML code is very important if you want to add keywords. Without that, you cannot add keywords. Okay, so and first of all, let me show you what each field mean. Then I'm going to show you how to add keywords. So this is meta tags field. So this is important where we're going to add our keywords. Then we have FAQ sections. So FAQ sections, if you have questions, FAQ part in your post, then you can add here. Just you need to add your question here, answer here, and you click on add FAQ. So if you add FAQ section, then it's going to generate a schema marker for FAQ as well, which we're going to test as well. After that, we have text, edit text area, where you're going to paste your text. As soon as you paste your text here, the HTML is going to update it by automatically. Then if you scroll down, you're going to see this copy button. If you click on this copy button, your text, your HTML code is going to copy and you can paste. And if you scroll further, you're going to see preview. So in the preview, you're going to see all the changes you making up here. Okay, so now without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, you need to get rid of this text and paste your own text just like this. Okay, so now most important thing, how to add keywords. So in order to add keywords, we're going to use this field. And before we do that, let me show you where our keyword is going to go. So our keyword is going to go in this section here, in this area. This is a meta text. This where description gonna go, this where keyword gonna go, this where title going to go. Now let me show you how it works. So let me copy the title and just paste here. That automatically is going to update the HTML, as you can see here, and it's going to show the preview as well. If you're worried about the text font family, then don't worry, because this is the my theme that picks up this font family. Once you copy this code and paste into your blog post, it's going to pick up your default font family. Okay, so you don't need to worry about that font. And as you can see, like I said, it added the title. And now we need to add keywords. So you can add keywords many as you want, but I would recommend it 5 or 6 keywords. So I'm going to copy this and paste here. You want to add your own keyword here, and make sure each new keyword you add comma after last keyword, like this. As you can see, this is comma. If you want to add more keywords, you can add here, so on and so forth. Okay, so now if you scroll down into your HTML, then you will see in the meta keyword, you would see keyword we have just added here. Now if you want to add description, then just paste your keyword here. We notice that many online tools are either complicated or use or filled with ads. Okay, then you would see your description here, but that keywords description and meta title is not going to show up in your post, because that's purely for SEO. Okay, so now once you're done with the keywords, then just you need to copy this and you go to your blogger blog post and make sure you select HTML, and then you paste your code here. So you can see this is HTML code. You don't need to mess with it, just you need to paste it. Let me grab the title as well for my post quickly, and there we go. So if you are looking for only to add keywords, then there you go, you have it. And just you need to click on publish, and then now if you click on this I button, then you will see your post ready to go. And now if you want to move further, and if you want to play with this small settings and tools, then you can play with it as well. If you want to change the background color, you can do that. If you want to change the text color, and do that as well. As you change the color and so on and so forth, it's going to add style as well. Okay, if you want, you can make first word bigger, use, and if you want, you can make this bold and turn into code, and so on and so forth. If you want, this is very important, if you want to add image, then just you need to copy and paste link here. It would automatically, this tool automatically wrapped into the image tag. Let me show you how it works. So you need to just paste your image link here. So if I scroll down, as you can see, your image is now showing up. And if I scroll down in the HTML, you will see your image in the image tag. But in order to put this in an image tag, you make sure that your extension says .png, jpg, or webp, and so on and so forth. Must have image tag here, otherwise HTML is not going to pick up this. Is not going to wrap in the image tag. Okay, now you can play with this tool, some tools if you want, like some little options if you want. Okay, then now if you copy this, and along with that you're going to see your changes. Whatever change you make, you're going to see in the preview as well. Now if you copy and paste here and update it, you will see your image is going to show up here, and this is code. And one more thing I want to forgot to tell you is, don't worry about the height and width of the image. And one more thing, the image is going to automatically adjust of your post width, as you can see here. And second thing is, if you want to change the height and width, don't change here. Okay, if you change here and by mistakenly, if you make change, where is that? So pay attention here. If you make change on your main text, it's going to get rid of that your size as well. So after copy, you can just add width or height you want, just like that. Okay, now image is going to be small like that. Now let's talk about FAQ. Before we move to the FAQ, first let's test this, if this post has FAQ schema or not. Probably is not going to have this schema because we haven't added those schema yet, so it's going to take some time. Wait, and there we go, there's no FAQ schema. But if you add FAQ from, let me just cut from here, and I'm gonna cut this as well, not there, and I'm going to click on add FAQ. Now if you notice here, it's not going to add your QA FAQ here. As you can see, it's not in the preview. You'll see there is no, this is not preview, this is preview. You will see there is no FAQ add. So in order to add FAQ, you want to make sure that you just make little change here, and because the HTML is not automatically picking this FAQ from there to here. So if you make changes, you would see it's going to add the schema markup here. Okay, so let me just press enter, and there you go, it add the schema markup, and along with that it add section for the FAQ as well. Now if I copy it and paste here and update it, you will see the FAQ section. This is the FAQ section we have just added. Now let's test this. Now it's going to pick up the FAQ schema. So let me refresh this, and you would see along with the article and breadcrumb, you're going to see the FAQ, and there you go. And how many questions we have? 8, 1. So you will see there would be one question in this schema. There we go. This is question. This is question. Are all the tools free to use? And say yes. And as you can see this as well. So why are we using schema? We're using schema because, as you can see, people also ask, that's where our schema is going to show up. Googlebot come to your site, and then it see that you have schema, and through the schema is going to pick up the questions and answer, and it's going to show the people that who wants quick answer. And some people might click on your link as well, and you end up getting traffic through that Q&A as well, FAQ as well. Okay, so that's how you use these tools. I hope you like this, and if you do, let me know in the comment below. And if you want to add any functions to it, then let me know in the comment as well. In the future, I might add AI links, AI tool that allow you to write keywords, title, and description by scanning your text from here. Okay, so in the future, my plan is to create this tool, and that's going to be free. It's not going to be charged on you. Okay, so thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.